What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? I think we are live. I think we are live. I'm just gonna pop it up on this other computer so that I can also see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. What's popping? What's popping? Okay, I can see here that I'm live. I'm just gonna drop my volume. All right. Can you guys hear me? Okay. We're good to go. We're good to go. Okay, I see you guys can hear me very clearly. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. I see you guys can hear me very clearly. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. You guys can hear me clearly. Okay. Wow. I can see you guys can hear me, which is a nice thing. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let me just make sure my trading view is open. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and then just click on share and share with someone. Let's at least get 500 people in here, guys. Don't just keep information like this to yourself. Share with someone. Share with someone. Share with someone. Please leave a like and share with someone. Let's go. Let me also just notify these people that we are live. We are live on YouTube now. Join to learn and earn. I'm just going to notify to on Instagram. Guys, we are live. We are live. We are live. We are live. You guys should join. We are live already, almost about 200 people. Let's go. We are live on YouTube. Oh, I need to put like a link. Oh, excuse me. All right, so let's see what we have on our agenda for today. So as always, we're just gonna do our general question and answers. Then after, let me see what I have on our banner. We're also going to talk a little bit on how to win in Forex in 2025. We're going to do live trading. All right, we're going to do live trading where we're going to do live analysis, general live analysis. We're going to analyze trades together. We're going to talk a little bit about Lionheart funding program, your favorite prop firm. And then we're also going to have in between breaks where we're just going to answer general question and answer. So if you have your questions, don't worry, I'm going to have the privilege to answer your questions. They're also going to talk a little bit about Godlove University students. So Godlove University students that are here, I'm also going to be able to answer some of their questions. Then if I'm too lucky, if I'm too generous today, we can actually do a spin for those of you guys who are on my live today, and we can pick two or three people who can actually have a free scholarship to Godlove University. So you guys need to stick around to the end. Invite your wives, your girlfriends, your boyfriends, your sisters, your brothers. Stick around to the end because you might just win yourself something very, very big. Okay, that's just a website. We're going to talk a little bit again. I think that's it. So to begin, guys, So to begin, just let's do a shout out to a couple of people. Just let me know where you're watching from and your country, just where you're watching and your country flag. For example, for me, I'm in Johannesburg, South Africa. That's it. And then I'm just going to put a South African flag. So just let me know where you're watching from together with your country flag. All right. Let me know where you're watching from together with your country flag. Let me know where you're watching together with your country flag. Okay, we have a lot of people in the room, so I'm going to do a shout out to a couple of people. So we have Rachel from Zimbabwe, son of Thunder, son of Thunder from Nigeria. We have Constibi from Cameroon. How are you doing today? Bonjour. Comment déjeuner passé? Drew the King from UAE. That's Dubai or UAE, United Arab Emirates. You know, when they say UAE, people just think you just have Dubai. No, Dubai, UAE is a whole country. Dubai is just a city. Tabi from Kenya. And Kongsaniti from South Africa. How are you doing today? Where are you watching in South Africa? We have Lauren from Jamaica. Shout out to you. Uche from Nigeria. Okay, let me just pick countries I haven't seen. Gislin from Cameroon. Zambia. Rhonda from Zambia. Shout out to you. Yahaya from Ghana. Shout out to you. Okay, I'm just looking for a country I haven't seen. Mendungiri, oh, that's Nigeria. London, Bay from London. I was in London, I think last 2 months ago. Sometimes when I'm in London, I'll have the privilege to meet and greet some of my people. So I was just there. I was there two months ago. 2 months ago. And then Nana from Zambia. I think I've seen Zambia. I'm just looking for a country I haven't seen. Okay, Uganda. Which country is this? I think that's the Zambia. Tanzania. My regards to Diamond Plantinus or Plantinum or Plantinus or whatever they call him. He's from Tanzania, right? Promise from Nigeria. Let's see. We've seen Ghana. Suriname. Okay, I see Suriname, but it has popped up again. England. So I hope you guys are doing great today. Let me see. Which other country have we not seen? United States. Okay, Somalia. We've seen. Okay, Somalia. User FX from Somalia. India. Are you from New Delhi? From there are many cities in here. I haven't visited India yet, but I'm planning to visit India. Ireland. Oh, the Anand. Okay, Anand from India. I thought that was Ireland. Anand, how are you doing? From the name, Godlove University student. I'm happy to have you here today. There are too many guys. There's too many. There are too many. We can't go through. Rostenberg. Okay, Romeo boy from Rostenberg. I was in Rostenberg, I think, last week for a business transaction. Belgium, Don Chichi from Belgium. How are you doing today? I remember when I was in Europe last time, I visited more than 20 countries. The only one I couldn't visit, which I really wanted, wish I could, was Belgium. I couldn't go to Belgium for one reason or other. I ended in Swaziland, and I'm used to saying Swaziland. I ended in Switzerland and had to turn back home because I had an emergency back home and had to return in South Africa after about 4 months in Europe. 4 months in Europe. All right. Rodeport. Nomsa from Rodeport. I hope you're doing great today. Hope you're having an awesome day. I used to live in Rodeport about 4 years ago. I used to live in Rodeport in Lindelin, Rodeport about 4 years ago. All right. So let's just start with few general question and answers just to warm ourselves up before we can go to our live analysis. Let's just start with few question and answers to warm up ourselves before we can go to our chart analysis. So any question you have for me, feel free to drop it on the comment section. Any Forex, business, travel, person, any question you have, just drop it on the comment section and we're going to take it from there. Let's just warm ourselves up with few question and answers before we go into live analysis, where I'll also be showing you guys what I'm going to be looking out for the week, how I'm going to be planning my week. So general question and answers. Any question you have for me, just drop it on the comment section. Meanwhile, I'm just synchronizing my phone with my computer just so it doesn't drain all my power. Which one? Jumbo upgrade was not to introduce another seat on board this. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to be coming to the questions right now, guys. Any question, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to take as many as I can. I'm going to be picking as many as I can. I'm going to be picking as many as I can. Let's go. Great Britain pound JPY. It's going to hit take profit. Let me see for today. We already closed one on gold, sell on gold, sell on gold. Ooh, 2 gold down already. All right, let's see what we got for the day. Let's see. Okay, let me see which one we can pick. So which advice do you have for someone battling with emotion? And which book would you recommend? Okay, if you are battling with emotions, and then one thing is very simple. You are still trading with something you can't afford to lose. After talking to more than thousands upon thousands of traders and students in Godlove University, one thing I've noticed is when people start fighting with their emotions, start trading emotionally, it's usually due to one reason, that they are still trading with something they can't afford to lose. They are still trading with money they can't afford to lose. They are still trading, they are still investing all their life savings in the Forex market. They don't have something they can fall back on. They don't have any plan. That's why they'll be able to trade emotionally. So if you can eliminate this, trust me, you won't be trading emotionally. All right. Always have a fallback plan, something you can always fall back on before you are trading Forex. Then the only book I can recommend is Trading in a Zone by Mark Douglas. That's the only trading book I can recommend. It has nothing that has to do with strategies, but it's going to train your mind to think and act as a trader. Guys, let me just get someone from the office to bring me some water. I always like to have my water around anytime we have a session like this, just so I keep myself hydrated. Someone says we need a guide video on how to purchase Lionheart funding program account, how to do transfers. Plus, we're entertaining online banking transactions. Okay, I think the Lionheart funding program YouTube channel already has videos that will guide you on how to easily purchase an account. But if you guys want us to go into that by the end of the session, we're just going to dive into a quick 1-minute video where I'm still going to be able to show you guys how you can easily purchase an account. Wow, this answer entered. Okay, wow, this answer entered me. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Fali. I'm glad to help, and I'm also glad at least you were able to learn something. That's the reason why we are here, so that at least we shouldn't come back. We shouldn't go back the same way we came. Okay, someone says, what's the best risk management strategy to pass a profit account? Don't risk more than 1% of your account, and when you go funded, drop to 0.5%. That's the easiest. All right. If you can stick to this and remove the instant gratification, get rich quick mentality, you're going to get funded. All right. Don't risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Go for a risk to reward of at least 1:2. And when you go funded, drop your risks. If you do this, you're going to get funded with a prop firm, with any prop firm. If I answer your question and you have the privilege to still be here, just let me know in the comment section if at least you got the answer to your question and if it was clear. Can I pass a profit account with 0.5 lot size with one position throughout? Perfectly. It depends on the account size. So if you have like a 100K profit account, you wouldn't be trading with 0.5 lot size. It's going to be too small. But if you have like maybe a 25K account or maybe 15K account, then 0.5 lot size is just enough. But if you have like a 5K, then even 0.25 is too much. You need to drop your risks. Thank you so much, sir. Maxi FX, I'm glad to help. You're welcome. Are indices like US Tech, US 30, NAS 100 is the same as US Tech. So Dixon, NAS 100 is the same as US Tech. So indices like US Tech, US 30, SPC 5 affected by the news. Everything you just mentioned here, okay. NAS 100 is the same as US Tech. Then SPX 500 is US 500 and US 30 is US 30. Yes, they are affected by news, particularly US-based fundamentals, because they are all USA-based indices. So you need to understand USA-based indices are going to be affected by USA-based fundamentals. If you're talking about something like GERO, Gemini, is it Gemini, some Gemini 30 or Gemini 100 something, GERO. That one is going to affect the German economy, and any fundamental in the German economy is going to be affecting that particular index. If you're looking for something like the Indian or the FTSE 100, any fundamental in the UK is going to be affecting the FTSE 100. So you need to be able to understand where that particular index is coming from, and all the fundamental news events in that particular areas are going to affect that particular index. Bear with me, guys. We have questions, hundreds of them popping in, so we're just going to pick the ones we can pick. Thank you. It's good to always keep yourself hydrated, particularly when I'm on videos like this. I'm going to be on sessions for the whole day. So starting the day, is good to start with a very hydrated tone, because I'm going to be talking like this for the whole day. After this, I need to jump on calls. I need to jump on one-on-one sessions. Maybe I have YouTube videos. I need to be recording videos on TikTok, on that. That's just what I love doing, right? That's just what I love doing. I love helping other people as succeed in Forex trading. So at the same time, your health is your wealth. You need to keep yourself healthy. I need to keep myself hydrated. Okay, so I hope I've answered this question. Let's see. So this is we need a guide video on how to purchase line. I've already answered that one. Guys, please don't spam the comment section. If you ask your question, don't spam the comment section with the same question. Boss, help me please. You told us with the previous video that 2 challenges and we aim bet get one funded, but I'm asking if you trade them at the same time or one after the other. If I'm trading 2 challenges, all right, if I buy 2 challenges, let's just say I have 2 50K profit accounts, I want to trade them all separately. All right, I want to trade them all separately. Why am I trading them all separately? Because I want to diversify my risks. It's as easy as that. I want to diversify my risks. If I'm trading all the accounts at once, it means if something goes wrong on one account, it's going to automatically go wrong on the other account. If I blow one, the other one is going to automatically blow. So if you are following like the video I've taught you guys on YouTube, the 50-10-50 rule, trade all those accounts independently. Even if you are using the same strategy, trade them all independently. Within a day, there are many setups you can take. There are many trades you can take. Trade all these accounts independently so that you can diversify your risks. All right. I have a 50K. Okay, I already mentioned that 50K 0.25 lot size is very perfect on a 50K. How long should we stay on a demo account? Good. There are 2 ways you can validate a demo account. All right. I'm going to start with the first and the most important way, which is the 2-step process. The 2-step process, if you are planning that, okay, anytime I start trading live, I want to buy a 100K profit account, then open a demo account that has a 100K balance in it. Trade that demo account as if you are already funded. If you can pass phase 1, if you can make 10%, it means if it was a profit account, you would have already made 10%. Close that demo account, open a new one, and put $100,000 again. Start again, and then trade it as if you are trading phase 2. If you can make 5%, voila, you are funded. Now, at that point in time, you've already 2-step validate any strategy on a demo account. That's the only time you can go and buy a profit account. Remember, I'm saving you guys money. I'm saving you guys time and money. So you guys just think just the fact that you have a 100K profit account, you're just going to magically become profitable. No. If your strategy sucks on a $10 account, that same strategy is still going to suck on a $2 million account. So use this 2-step verification method, verification/validation method to validate your strategy before you can purchase any profit account. That's how long you can stay on a demo account. If that's going to take you a year to keep trying that on a demo account, stay on that demo account until you can do this. That's it. If you can do that, you're going to succeed. So Cindy say, I have Petrex Pro robot. I'm having challenges setting up set files. I'm having challenges setting it up. The set files. When I test the robot and it has losses, I don't even know what or how to fix it. Please assist this one. All right. So the good thing is Petrex Pro has become very viral and has received 3 awards as the best profitable robot 3 years in a row, because we also have a Discord community where if you have any challenge, you have other traders, you have other moderators, you can always ask your question. So someone will be in the Discord community. There will be a moderator in the Discord community who can always assist you. All right. So just check my video descriptions, or you can just DM Godlove, or just DM Godlove University. Even on the live chat on the website, just go to godloveuniversity.com, go to the live chat. You can always ask for the Discord details, and you're going to get access to Discord. That's where someone is going to take time to really assist you. But talking about set files, remember, set files are just files. That's it. Set files are just files that when you put the robot on your chart, you click on load, and based on whether you want to be aggressive or conservative that day, you import your set files and then you just do small changes. All right. So you shouldn't find challenges loading set files on your computer. Then also spend as much time as you can backtesting the robot on your side, so that you can be able to also pick parameters that can suit your style of trading. I can be able to use parameters that are very aggressive, but you per se, or you as a person, you are not an aggressive trader, so you won't find success with those parameters. So it's only backtesting that you will be able to find parameters that can suit your style of trading, and Patrex Pro is going to take it over from there. So as always, guys, don't be scammed. There's only one website you can buy Patrex Pro, which is Godlove University /Patrex Pro. Any other website, you're going to be buying the fake version, you're going to be scammed, you're going to be buying the pirated version, which is going to blow your account. So you can always check the link on this video description or anywhere on my bios, on all my platforms. What should we know about buying a live account? What should we know about buying a live account? I don't understand. You don't buy a live account, you buy a funded account. So please just be explicit on your question so that I can be able to assist you. My question, when I'm on a demo profit account, I pass well, but on a live, it fails. What? When I'm on a demo, I pass very well, but when I go live, I blow. Why? On a demo, you have nothing on the line, bro. You have nothing to lose. All right? It's just as easy as that. When you are on a demo, you have nothing to lose. You have nothing on the line. When now you have something on the line, maybe you've spent $500 or $300 to buy a Profit account. Now you start trading emotionally, because you start telling yourself, oh, if I blow this account, I borrow this money from my girlfriend, from my wife, from my mom, and I don't need to. You start trading emotionally, and anytime you start trading emotionally, bro, you're not thinking straight again. You've already forgotten everything you had on your plan when you were trading on a demo account. You've already forgotten everything you had on the drone bot when you start trading emotionally. So always risk something you can afford to lose. Anytime you go live, still treat it as if you have to lose that particular money, that's not going to be the end of your life. No one is going to be pointing the gun to your head. That's where you're going to trade with a peace of mind. That's when you're going to be able to trade with a peace of mind. Full stop. Even though you make $1 million on your demo account, but when you go live, even if it's a $100 account, you're still going to blow it, because that's real money. That's your hard-earned money. So you're going to start trading emotionally. So you need to strive to remove that emotional part of trading before you can succeed when you actually go live. Okay, let's go. Oh, this one I can even switch to this one. Just a minute, guys. Just testing out something. Okay, remove. Okay. All right. So let's go. What's the best strategy? What's the best strategy to scalp up a small account while managing risks? The best strategy, I've already taught you guys strategies on my channel. You have GUMVRO, you have the GUORB, all those strategies that I borrowed from Godlove University. They are already on my page. Those are Godlove University flagship strategies that you can also use. So now when you're talking about scalping, it just depends on how long you want to stay on that trade or the time frame you are using. If I'm using GUMVRO and I'm trading on a 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, then I'm a day trader or even a swing trader if that trade is closed after a day. But if I'm using it on the 5-minute time frame, which I can still use it on the 5-minute time frame, then at that point in time, I am a scalper. You see, so scalping just depends on the time frame you are using and how long you want to stay on that particular trade. Method frame. Good morning, sir. Which market session must I use? The Trading View one or the one on Forex Factory or on GORB? Use the Trading View. Use the Trading View one, not to confuse yourself. Use the Trading View one. If the Trading View is telling you the session is starting at this time, use it as it is. But you always need to set your Trading View. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how you can make sure the time is corresponding. All right, you make sure the time is corresponding so that you can be able to set it very, very well. I think I can even just share my screen so that we'll just tackle that, because I've seen many people facing that same issue. So share, let me just go to share. Let me make sure this one is open. I'm just going to go to share my screen, share screen, share entire screen. This side will be able to see content on your screen. Yes, that's what I'm sharing now. Okay, allow. Let's see if you guys can see my screen. Okay, voila. Can you guys see my screen? Just a thumb up on the comment section if you can see my screen. Thumb up on the comment section if you can see my screen. All right. All right. You guys can see my screen. So I'm just going to hide this one. Then we're also going to remove on the banner. We are not more on question and answers. So let's let me quickly show you guys how you can set your. Okay, now I did a detailed video. That video is almost about 2 hours. About 2 hours teaching you guys how you can use TradingView. So if you haven't watched that video, sometimes it just makes things easier on my side when I produce this content and you guys consume it or you guys see it on time. All right, I've done a detailed video teaching you guys step by step how you can use TradingView. Almost about 2 hours. That's one of the longest videos I've made for this year. So please just make sure you've watched that video so that you can understand the ins and out of TradingView. Remember, we use TradingView for one purpose, to analyze our trade. That's it. Then when we are executing our trade, we just go on MetaTrader 5 and we execute the trade. MetaTrader 5 or TradeLocker or DX Trade or Match Trader, any other platform, you just go there, you just execute the trade, you put the same stop loss, same take profit and everything. But you do all your analysis using TradingView because they have many advanced tools that you can use for your analysis. All right, so since we're going to be using GU-ORB, you can see I have different profiles for different strategies. This one here is GU-MVRO. So I'm going to be switching to the profile for GU-ORB, Godlove University Upper Range Breakout Strategy. We're going to drop on the 15-minute time frame. And what I want us to check first, I want us to check the time zone first so that we can be rest assured that it is respecting our time zone. So let's just go here. That's an indicator. We're going to go on settings. So let's go on settings. And then here we have all the time zones. All right. So Tokyo, you need to actually check the Tokyo time zone. All right. So let me just check which time zone is here first. If you want to change the start and end time of the day, you make sure you are in UTC. Okay. All our time zones are in UTC. All right. So you need to make sure you copy the exact time in UTC. All right, so let me just click again. There's no need to change the time of your trading view chart or to change the time zone input below, because the sessions would plot correctly as long as the start and end time set in UTC. So we need to just confirm. You just go on your Google. All right, Tokyo session. So you just go on your Google. I hope you guys can see my screen. Let me just go on my Google. Okay, just go on your Google, go on a new tab, and you just search Tokyo market session opening and closing time. That's it. In UTC, you put it in UTC. In UTC, I'm waiting for it to load so that I can put it in UTC. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So Tokyo is open from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. UT, from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. UTC. All right. So let's just open this. We're just getting this from TradingView. London is open from this to this. New York is open from that to that. So we can already see everything here. So let's see, 12 to 9 a.m. UTC. So that's what we need to correct. 12 to 9 a.m. UTC. So you can see this was, okay, 12 to 9 a.m. You can see that's it is correct. So you go to the next one on the list, which is the London session. Let's go and confirm the London session. Okay, remember London, UTC also starts for GMT. So you don't need to, UTC also stands for the GMT time. So London is from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. UTC. 7 to 4 p.m. So let's confirm if this one is from 7 to 4 p.m. This one is from 7 to 16. Very, very correct. All right. And New York is from, let's see, New York is from 1 to 10 p.m. From 1 to 10 p.m. So let's go here to confirm if it's from 1 to 10 p.m. And then Sydney is from 21 to 0.6. That's it. That's it. So our time is we've already confirmed that our time is correct. So we can then go here just to additional tools and settings. We want the open and close line, hide weekends. We don't want weekends to show. And then let's see, color candles. We just want it to be as it is. That's it. Then you just click on OK. Let's hide this. And then you just click on OK. Good. So this is it. It means the same time you are seeing here is very, very correct. You don't need to worry or don't need to confuse yourself again when you're worrying what time zone should I be using, what time frame should I be using. You're going to see everything here. Like for example, normally I used to start trading the session by the start of the Asian session or the Tokyo session right up to the close of the New York. All right. For example, this was it right here at 5:30. This candle right here was at 5:15. So let me see. This candle was this one is at 5:30, and this is a 15-minute time frame. Let me just check. Let me just confirm a setting really quick, guys. Let me just confirm a setting really quick. Mesh overlap. No, we don't want to mesh the overlap. Log back in days. Let's see. The style here, we're just talking in terms of visibility. Yes. In seconds, minute, days. Yeah. All right. I just needed to confirm. Reset to default. All right, so you can see this line here. This is where this session started. So normally what I do is the line where the session starts, you can see this one is 15:45. So the line where the section actually prints, this is where I'll wait for that candle to close. Right, I'll wait for that candle to close, and then I put my sell stop right there and my buy stop right there. So you would have seen this one would have triggered our sell stop. Let's see if we would have hit take profit already on this one. So it would have been a sell position right here. Our stop loss goes right here. Okay, that's it. And we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. You can see even if we're going for a risk to reward of 1:4, we would have still hit our take profit. So 1:2 was right here. We're already out of the trade. So just about 30 minutes after that, we're already out of the trade. So it was a cool win, cool 2% of our account. The same thing happened here. You can see this was now the close. Remember, it's at the start and at the end of major market sessions. This was at the close of what? The close of the Sydney session. What we'll do again is we'll have our buy stop right there, our sell stop right here. You can see our buy stop would have been triggered, meaning would have been in that trade by now. It's as easy as that. No reason to complicate. Our buy stop would have been triggered right there. You can see that is it. Our take profit would have been there. And if we're going for a risk to reward of 1:2, then it would have been standing right there. Can you see? That's it. So by now, it would have already been up with about 1 arrow of our account. It's as easy as that. And while we are in with 1 arrow of our account, you can see you just keep, it's just the same thing. So the video on GUORB is already on my page. We're not going to be wasting too much time going on those, going step by step on the video again. But you guys, it's already on my page. Just go back, check the GORB strategy. You're going to see step by step, then practice it on your side. I'm just trying to point out some few challenges which people might be having. Okay. So let's go. Let's see. I hope I was able to answer that question. So let's go again. Let's see if you guys are getting everything, because it's not how long I stay on the session or how many questions are answered, is how many people are able to understand what I explain. So if I'm answering your question, I want to make sure you understand everything I'm explaining. So I'm just going to pick some question and answers again on the comment section. I'm just going to put okay, let's go. It says, can I trade a single pair and get payout as long as no single trade is above 50% of my payout? I need this trade. There's no rule that says you need to trade multiple currency pairs. You just need, when it comes to prop firm, you just need to understand basic rules. And if we're taking something like Lionheart funding program, what they have, I think they have consistency rule that you just need to show that you are being consistent in trading. You were not just lucky on one trade and then you just sit and wait for a payout. Bro, just understand that you need to show that you are not just lucky on that one trade. So that's why you need to keep trading. You need to consistently trade on that account to show that you have a consistency plan. Then another trend is just the 50% rule. It's simple. Like, for example, what I'm saying is people will go and they use betting method. They just go in, hit big lot sizes, and once they already have a trade, say $5,000, and then they just stop there and they start trading 0.1 lot size, 0.2 lot size. What if that one with the big lot size didn't go your way? That would have been very detrimental to the funds of the firm. So that's why we don't encourage that style of trading, and we say, okay, you need to also respect that particular rule. So there's no rule that says you must trade on different currency pairs. You can take all your trades on one currency pair, and no rule is going to affect you for that. How can someone enter the trade if trend is uptrend using 1 hour time frame? Says, how can someone enter the trade if trend is uptrend using 1 hour time frame? You just need to. It starts with what strategy are you using? All right, you don't just wake up one morning and say, oh, I'm feeling lucky, I want to buy. I'm feeling lucky, I want to sell. What strategy are you using? What is your game plan for the day? All right. Before I answer the question, I'll need to start from there. What strategy are you using? What's your game plan for the day? For example, GORB, the time frame, the most recommended time frame is the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame. So if you are trading that on the 1 hour time frame, you only have to take a trade if the trend is bullish. And how will you know if the trend is bullish or not? We have tools that are going to be able to tell us if the market is buying or not. Simple. There's a methodology behind the strategy that you just follow the methodology. Okay, how much do you charge for passing someone's account? If anyone is contacting you saying he's representing Ndemazeah Godlove, I think I need to even put this as a disclaimer. Let me put down my disclaimer again. I don't trade for people. I don't pass accounts for people. If anyone is contacting you, claiming to be me, claiming to send you a WhatsApp number, claiming for you to come and join investment schemes, a fake Telegram community, you're going to be scammed. That is not me. I don't trade for people. All right. I don't trade for people. I'll rather teach you how to fish instead of giving you fish. So if anyone is contacting you saying they want to pass an account for you, do all of that, that person is a scam. That is not Ndemazeah Godlove. Anyone is asking money from you, that person is probably trying to scam you. I will never DM you. I will never ask you to send me any money. I don't have any investments schemes. Thanks for answering my question very well. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Ephraim. Thank you so much. I'm glad to help. Good morning, sir. If you're using the GORB and one trade is triggered in profit, should I close the other one which has not triggered? Yes. This is something you have to back test on your end to check which one will work better for you. Because if I'm trading some pairs like gold that are very, very volatile, if one is triggered, in most cases, I used to leave the current one, the other one open until I hit my take profit on the other one. And remember, if I don't hit my take profit on the one that is triggered, It means the market can reverse in the opposite direction and trigger the opposite position. So in most cases, back in office, and I will get this done as soon as possible. Okay, so in most cases, you see when the position you leave open, anytime it's triggered, that one used to go in profit. And let's just say the first position I already lost 1% on my account, and then it gets the other one that gets triggered and make 2%. So I lost 1% and make 2%. So can you see at the end of the day I'm still up with 1%? I don't know if it makes sense. All right, at the end of the day, it's still up by 1%. So you just need to backtest it. Trade sometimes by closing it as soon as one trigger is open, and then you try another time by leaving it open to check which one can better fit your of trading. Okay, this one says, "Sir, do you teach ICT in your mentorship program?" I don't trade ICT, I don't teach ICT, all right? ICT is just one concept, it's just one strategy, just like there are hundreds of strategy out there. So just the fact that everyone is talking about ICT doesn't mean I'm going to trade ICT. I don't trade ICT, I don't teach ICT. Anytime you join Godlove University, which is where I'm going to mentor you on how to trade A to Z, what you do is you have almost about 6 to 7 strategies that I'm going to teach you in Godlove University, and none of that is ICT. My MT5 review channel is dormant to place a trade. What must I do? Please contact Lionheart Funding Program support so that you can be assisted. You can also join the Discord community for assistance. What I mean was, how do you scale up my account while managing risks? I have been risking 1 to 2% per risk. The growth rate is very slow. At times, I feel frustrated and end up in a big loss. Yes, you need to stick to your strategy. If you want the process to be very fast, that's why you need to get up to you start getting up to mischiefs. You start forgetting your trading plan. So stick to your trading strategy, stick to your plan, and even if it's taking a longer period of time, it's not how fast you pass the challenge, but how sure you are able to stay consistently on that particular challenge. That's it. So it's not a marathon, all right? It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. You know, a sprint, you boom. No, trading is not a sprint sometimes, it's a marathon. So your VS signal goals or passing pro firm account, yes, you can use them to pass a pro firm account. Okay. Have the same problem I have tried, but still send me back to the video. Okay, which problem is that? I think I need to go back to figure which problem I've answered the questions. None of my questions have been answered. Unfortunately, I can't answer 200 questions at the same time, right? So just be patient. If you're lucky enough, then I'm going to pick your question up. I just go chronologically and I just click on anyone that pops up. Is there any possibility that the mighty Godlove University strategy can be applied with confluence to confirm the trade entry? All strategies in Godlove University have both trade exit and entry rules. They have both trade confirmation and target rules. So you don't need to worry. It's an all-in-one strategy. How risk management is involved, money management is involved, trade entry and exit confluences are all part of the strategy. That's what makes a good strategy. If I come here and I'm blabbing and I say, no, I have a good strategy, and that strategy doesn't have risk and money management involved, doesn't have trade entry and exit confluences, then I'm just making noise. That's not a strategy. When using Godlove moving average on the 1 hour time frame, when should we start watching out the 4 hour time frame? When you are using it on one time frame, it's time frame dependent. All right. So don't confuse yourself. I'm glad you asked, because the strategy is time frame dependent. All right. Strategy is time frame dependent. Time frame dependent. Meaning if you are trading on the 1 hour time frame, you stick to the 1 hour time frame. That's it. You don't need to start worrying what is happening on the 4 hours, what happened on the daily. That 1 hour time frame can be a sell. You're looking for your sell opportunity, but go to the 4 hour time frame, you're going to start seeing something else. All right. So the strategy is time frame dependent. If you're trading on the 1 hour time frame, you stick on that 1 hour time frame and take your trades on the 1 hour time frame. Thanks, Godlove. I've learned more from you and learn each every day. Okay, so I guess you're just saying he's learned a lot from my videos. just as he's been learning from my YouTube channel every day. So I'm glad I can help. I'm glad I could help. And it's always my pleasure. It's always my pleasure. That's my mission, bro. That's my mission. All right. My prayer when I just started in Forex trading was simple. God bless me to bless another person. Teach me this Forex, and I promise I'll teach another person. Impact my life, and I promise I'll impact another person's life. That was always my prayer. All right. So that's why I do what I do. The moment I became profitable, that's why I opened my YouTube channel, and I became the fastest growing YouTube channel in Forex. Now it's the biggest YouTube channel in Africa in terms of Forex trading, the biggest. All right. So that's why I have a mission, and that's why I do what I do. Which strategy will you prefer for day trading? The GMVRO or GRB? They all day trading strategies. So now you need to pick which one you like most, which one fits your style of trading and your time availability. Which strategies? I just answered that. So I have been trying GMVRO on Deriv synthetic. That strategy is, before I even read your question, that strategy also works very well for boom and crash, for synthetic indices, jump step. It also works very, very well. For some time now, and I have been incurring losses. Please, does GMVRO works on Deriv? Yes, it works on Deriv. You just need to make small changes, and you need to know trading synthetic indices is not the same as trading Forex pairs. Forex pairs can be influenced by fundamentals, but synthetic indices are not going to be influenced by any fundamental. So you need to always keep that at the back of your mind. This person says, please, I want to buy Marvin Pro Firm. I watched your video where you saying they don't really pay out. I don't remember. I did reviews. It's been years, so I don't know if the Pro Firm has changed or not. If you are looking for my recommended Pro Firm, check out Lionheart funding program. The link is going to be on this comment section, and the link is always on all my videos. All right, that's my recommended Pro Firm. You're going to get funded up to $600,000. You can keep 90% of your profit, and you get paid within 24 hours, or your payout get processed within 24 hours. So check out my recommended Pro Firm, which is Lionheart funding program. What's the period on your moving averages, brother? You need to watch a full video. All right, you need to watch a full video. I have two moving averages, two exponential moving averages. So watch the video so that you can get the ins and out of that particular strategy. Yes. Last year you said Godlove University will also have synthetic trading. Is it included? Very soon it's going to be included. We've been very busy working on other strategies and perfecting other strategies. So very soon Godlove University is going to be having a section for synthetic indices. Guys, please make sure you make sure you leave a like on the video. Let's get the video to at least 200 likes. We have almost about 250 people watching and just 120 likes. So you can't be watching if you don't like this, right? So guys, it's obvious. If you are still here and watching, it means you like this. If not, I would have said you would have already clicked out. So leave a like on the video, click that like button on the video, just so I can be able to understand that you guys actually understand and are enjoying this content. Okay. Someone says, say how much is the cost of your mentorship? Also, of your membership program. Mentorship. Okay, wanted to say mentorship program. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about Godlove University very, very soon. All right. So just give me a minute. I'm going to come to that. So he says, did you ever trade for a company during your early trading? If I want to do so, what requirements should I have? When I started, I was trained by a hedge fund. You guys already know. Back then, there were no prop firms. Back then, in 2014, 2015, there was no prop firm. So I was trained by a hedge fund. And back then, Apari Fund, which was the prop firm that trained me, they were actually a company. And you know what is a hedge fund, right? They train you to be able to come and manage their funds. And when they say manage their funds, you see it's a real money. They deposit the funds and they just give you the lock-in details. So yes, that was when I started trading with big capital. After I showed them my exceptional skills, they gave me $200,000 to trade. And that was when I made my first $50,000 in Forex trading, bought my first car in Cameroon, also processed my documents and left Cameroon because I really wanted to go somewhere I could pursue my dream and not have any challenges. So back then in Cameroon, I had a lot of challenges like depositing funds, withdrawing my money. And when you start growing big, bro, if all these your mentors in Cameroon, if they've never mentioned anything that has to come to that level, it means they haven't gotten to that level, bro. When you get to a level where you start withdrawing big in the Forex market, you understand what I'm talking about. Just as when I watch video, I know if none of your mentors have ever spoken about taxes, it means they haven't gotten to the level where they are making anything reasonable. When you start making anything reasonable, no matter where you are, you need to learn how taxes work. You need to learn how to incorporate taxes in your trading. But if none of them have ever mentioned it, don't blame them because they haven't gotten to that level. They're still at the level of just maybe making money from that, from even teaching you, not from trading. But yes, when you start going high, you get into that level where you're requesting big amounts of money, tens upon tens of thousands of dollars, you're going to start getting a lot of constraints that you need to, if the worst come to the worst, sometimes you need to migrate, you need to leave your home country just so you can go to an enabling environment. That was why I left Cameroon back in 2018 to South Africa, just so I needed an enabling environment where I could actually do what I wanted to do. And the rest is history. Best decision of my life. Okay. Let's talk a little bit on Godlove University. All right, let me just see. Let's talk a little bit on Godlove University. So Godlove University, obviously, Godlove University, you can see the link is passing on the screen. The link is actually scrolling. So just go to godloveuniversity.com. We have almost about five-star rating on Google. Just go on Google, check on Godlove University reviews. We have almost about 5 star. Let me just even check to confirm. I haven't checked for a while. Godlove. Okay, I'm going to share my screen just so you guys know I'm not doing it behind I'm not doing it behind the curtains. Let me share my screen so that we can check together. Okay, add to stage. All right. So Godlove University reviews. Godlove University reviews. Let's check to see what Google is saying. That's it. Godlove University reviews. Let's open it, guys. Let's open it and see what people are saying on Trustpilot. You can see that's it right there. Even before you even Godlove University, excellent. It's rated excellent on Trustpilot. That's it. 4.5 rating. 4.5 rating. If I have to come here, almost just one person with one star rating, or just 1 or 2 people, but everyone is 5-star rating. You can see that's it on Google. All right, that's it on Google. I need to check this one purchase with the test phase with set prof. So I need to actually check it. When I see a 1-star review, I like to always take the responsibility to see what the client is saying. All right. So you can see here, this person is actually saying something with a 1-star review. So when I see 1-star review like this, I'm concerned. I'm concerned because, you know, our goal is for everyone to come out happy. We've created hundreds upon hundreds of millionaires. They're making money. So when I see something like this, it gets me not too happy. So but I'm going to check what's happening with this, and I'm going to personally reply. So they see the rest is just 1 star. It's just 5-star reviews. 5-star reviews. Godlove University is the one of the best, the trusted, blah blah blah. I would recommend Godlove University, A to Z. So you can always take a time, just go and read those reviews for yourself, just so you can understand. You can see an accredited and a verified university. So if we go to the page on Godlove University, again, just tap on googlegodloveuniversity.com. Then it's going to take you to this page. Here on Godlove University, you can see we have Patrex Pro. Very, very important. We have Patrex Pro. We have courses, which is the course. So if you want to enroll in the one-on-one course, you're going to obviously come here. Just click on course. And if I click on course, for those of you who are asking the course, this is the course right here. Just as we're on the video, you can see people are buying. Something is popping here to say, okay, someone just bought an hour ago. Mokete from Durban, Durban KZN, 1 hour ago, you can see someone just enrolled. So people are enrolling. As you are still thinking and procrastinating and planning, people are taking the action, bro. People are taking the action. And anytime you join the website and you're confused, you need any help, just go on the live chat. We have humans, not robots. We don't have robots on our live chat. Just go on the live chat and there will always be someone on the back end to assist you immediately. Can you see how many people are buying just as we are recording this video? Just to show you guys how many people are out there hunger for knowledge. All right. How many people out there have the hunger for knowledge? So if you are really hungry for the knowledge, just as people out there, send you the all right. All right. So that is it. You just come here. You can easily enroll. When you go on enroll, you can enroll with your card, or you can enroll with any other payment method of your choice. We have everything catered for on the website. And remember, any person contacting you out of the website, it's a scam. You can always take your time, go and read about our curriculum, read about everything, about the different courses, read testimonials. And our testimonials, the way we used to do is we just put pictures of what people have actually written somewhere. Because if we come and type it ourselves, it becomes unbiased. People say, no, you even ask ChatGPT to write you that and you just come and paste it. No, we take screenshots of those people with their names and their pictures and everything. See, look at how many people are passing pro firm accounts right here. I passed my phase 1 today, getting funded tomorrow. My payout is dropping tomorrow from Godlove University teaching. You can see. Just go there, take your time and read through the testimonials. All right. And then that's it about Godlove University. Then if you want Patrex Pro is right there. If you want one-on-one package is something people don't know exists. This is something people don't even know exists. All right. So one-on-one, what is one-on-one? One-on-one is when you actually book to talk with me one-on-one. This package is almost like $1,000, but just what you get from this package alone is almost about $5,000. Because first thing first, you have 3 months license for Patrex Pro, which is about $500. You have a $100,000 pro firm account by the time you're graduating. $100,000 pro firm account is about $500. That's already about $800. You have full lifetime access to Godlove University, which is almost about $500 again. That's almost going to about $1,500 already. You have PDFs for all chat setups files, all chat templates, all of that, and just for a package of $999. So that's something that actually exists. You have about 45 to 1 hour Zoom session one-on-one with me, not with other students, but one-on-one with me, where I'll need to see where you are in trading. Even if you are just starting, I'll be ready to guide you step by step on what to do. I'll provide you with all the tools you need. And after you're done with your trading, obviously you also have a personal assessment with me, where I'll put you on, let's just say, a 2 weeks trading assessment, where you need to be trading on that account for 2 weeks for me to be able to assess your performance and tell you if you are ready to go live or not. So if you have any challenge at that point, I'll still be ready to navigate you, to guide you on those challenges and stuff like that. So the one-on-one session, always just for, just to learn, to see how it operates. Always just have time, go on the website, just enjoy how it works and most of these things, just so you understand everything. All right. So that is it about one-on-one. And then if you want, a trading floor is a new concept which is coming, where people can actually walk into our headquarters and trade with us. We're not just one mushroom company hiding somewhere. No, we have our physical presence in Johannesburg, South Africa, big office, big trading floor. So we are working in a way people can actually walk into our offices and maybe once a week or once a month trade with us. If you want our signal services, you come here, you click on signal services. That's where you're going to be able to join our signal community or my signal community, where you get 3 to 5 signals every day. There's trading calculators. Trading calculators, like you want to calculate the lot size, you want to calculate the p-value, the lot size value, just go on trading calculator and everything is there for you. Affiliate, if you want to work with Godlove University, you want to affiliate with us, it's right there, right there. So I want to take this minute just so I could show you guys Godlove University, how Godlove University works, because many people have been seen on the comment section. Many people were asking a lot of questions about Godlove University. And for Lionheart funding program, I already told you guys about Lionheart funding program. It's simple to get funds to trade. Just go to Lionheart funding program and you're going to see the amazing discounts we have that you can even use to purchase your challenge. Most of those discounts have limited time, so you need to be able to take advantage as soon as you see those discounts on the website. All right, so let's go back to general question and answers, and then we're going to call it a day. So just general question and answers again, and then we're going to call it a day. From the way things are going, from the way we enjoyed this one, Don't be surprised. Within the week, we can still be able to have another live session. All right. Within the week, we can still have another live session. All right, let me see some few questions I can pick. Let me just start up here. So anyone I click, I'm just going to see if I can answer. Where can I get a video explaining the Jew MVRO strategy? Right on my page. Just go on my YouTube channel. The page is right there. It's having one of the highest views. It's been getting views upon views. I'm really enjoying Godlove University. Thank you so much. I'm glad you're part of Godlove University. That's a place to be for anyone who wants to be serious with trading. That's the best investment you ever make. Guys, try to click like. Please leave a like on the video. Though we're rounding up, but a like is actually going to do us a lot of favor to tell us you guys actually like content like this. On using fibs, which candlesticks are used to measure swings? Obviously, when you are using the Fibonacci, there's areas where you just be able to spot even with your eyes the most recent swing low, most recent swing high. That's how you do it. That's going to be the last. Let me just add to stage, and then quickly I'm going to show you guys this. Okay, let's go to Jew MVRO, and this is what someone is asking. Let's delete everything on the screen. Let's delete everything, and here let's remove even the market session by Levantan. Let's remove it. And we just have these cool moving averages on our screen. These cool, nice moving averages on our screen, right? And for these moving averages, let's just say we wanted to enter the trade, and we already had a cross somewhere here. So where do you bring your fib? I can already see somewhere. I had my most recent swing low somewhere here, and my most recent swing high somewhere here. That's the most recent swing low, most recent swing high. It's as easy as that. So if I'm bringing in my fib, I'm bringing in my fib from my most recent swing low. I drag it right up to my most recent swing high. That's it. You see, I didn't take a trade here because the market didn't push right down to my 38% level and then close bullish or to my 50% level. You see, the same thing will happen. And as soon as that happens, this area here becomes our most recent swing low. This one right here will become our most recent swing low right here. And this one here becomes our most recent swing high. So I'm already seeing a key setup which we would have already been on this trade, because if I can plot my fib from here to here, and then the market already pushed right down to what? Right down to our 68% level and then close bullish. So we would have already been in a trade somewhere here on a long position. So this would have already been our long position. Our stop loss just go below the swing somewhere here. I don't want to risk so much. So let's click here again to see. This is almost about, I don't want to risk. This is the 4-hour time frame. So I'm just going to put my stop loss just here on about 120 pips. And I go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. Boom. All right. That's it. So this would have been it for this particular trade. And remember, I'm doing this on the 4-hour time frame. Meaning on the 1-hour time frame, we would have just done the same thing. But now you are using the most recent swing low and most recent swing highs on the 1-hour time frame. All right, the same thing. If I go to Euro USD, let's drop to the 1-hour time frame just so I can show you guys what I'm saying. 1-hour time frame is right here. And if I can bring this one here, let me bring this one here so that you guys can see clearly. Not just on a buy trend, but I want us to also do it on a sell trend. All right, on a sell trend, this will be what? This will be your most recent swing low, most recent swing high, most recent swing low, most recent swing high, most recent swing low, most recent swing high, most recent swing low, most recent swing high. Remember, anytime it's broken, the next one becomes our most recent swing or low or swing high if we're in a downtrend or an uptrend. So to use my fibs, I would have just drawn my fib here from here to here. And in that case, let's see what actually happened. You can see the market actually pushed up to a 50% level, meaning we would have entered somewhere, go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Most recent swing low, most recent swing high. It shows that that's where I would have used I would have instead bring my fib again from here to here to wait to see how far the retracement is going to go. And you can see the market push right up to our 38% level, close as bearish, meaning we would have entered on a sell right here, short position right here, our stop loss just above right here, and we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Boom, would have already been out of the trade right there. Can you see that? So that's just how you are able to easily plot your most recent swing low and most recent swing high if you are trading on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame respectively. All right. Let me see if we have any question again before we can say, okay, we're done for the day. So you can also call it a range low, range high. I don't complicate when it comes to trading, bro. I just call it the most simpler way I can easily understand. It's not me knowing all these crazy terminologies that's gonna assure me that I'm gonna be profitable, bro. I keep it simple. So Consti is asking, what does it take to join Godlove University? You don't need anything to join Godlove University. Whether you just heard about Forex trading yesterday and you want to join Godlove University to learn, you're welcome. Anyone can get access to Godlove University. Anyone can join Godlove University. Anyone can learn how to trade Forex. Please, is your profile or one-time payout or consistent? I don't understand that question. Your profile a one-time payout or consistent? Consistent, so long as you keep getting your payout, you're going to qualify for your payout. Please, what is the moving average combination? The video is already on the page. When will Lionheart funding program bring synthetic indices? We're not going to be bringing in anytime soon because it doesn't make sense bringing synthetic indices on a profile. How can we calculate our loss in NASDAQ? I already told, there's a video on risk management on my page. Check that video on risk management. There's a website I even showed you guys known as Cashback Forex or Lionheart funding program, where you can go there to easily calculate your risks. How many trades recommend per day on a $100 account? That's very, very tricky because I don't know what time frame you're using. I don't know your risk parameters. I don't know your risk management plan. So I can't recommend how many trades you should take. I trade what I see, not what I want the market to show me. So in most cases, if I'm already coming to the market, already telling myself that, oh, I want to only take 10 trades today. I want to only take 2 trades. What if I don't even see those 2 trades? Or what if I see 20 trades, bro? So I trade what I see, not what I want the market to show me. All right, guys. We're going to be calling it here for a day. We might still jump in here. It was a 1 hour session, but we've extended to 1 hour 20 minutes. Let me know if you guys were able to gain something. We're going to jump back here on the live session within the week, just based on how I'm too tight, because my schedule for this week is too tight. Make sure you are trading with the best profile in the game, Lionheart funding program. And before I go, guys, stay a minute for this. Stay a minute for this. This is going to benefit you a lot. Let me even add it on the banner so that people can see it. Lionheart funding program affiliate. Everyone can benefit from this. Everyone, you don't even need to be trading to make money from what I want to show you guys now. Everyone can benefit from this. All right, and it's known as the Lionheart funding program affiliate program. All right, it's very, very easy to register. Anyone can register. You can actually register to be an affiliate to Lionheart funding program today, and within 24 hours you are already requesting your affiliate commission payout. That's it. So long as you hit 100% in $100 in commission, you can request your payout. We have people who will join the affiliate program, and you want to see within the next hour they are already requesting for their affiliate commission payout. All right, just imagine you come and you sign up, you get your affiliate link, you share it to friends, family, and your community, and you get someone who comes and buy let's just say a 200K profile account. A 200K profile account without any discount is almost about $1,000, and you keep 10% of that. 10% of $1,000 is already $100. And we have people who used to get 6 people used to buy 200K profile accounts in a day. We have people who buy 10 100K within a day. We have people. So no matter who you are, no matter what you do, you can always make money with Lionheart funding program. You don't even need to be trading, bro. Just spread the good news. We are very, very confident that we are the best in the game as we speak. So spread the good news to be able to earn with Lionheart funding program. Just go to Lionheart funding program. I'm just going to quickly show you guys. Just go to Lionheart funding program. Just go on Google, Lionheart funding program. The link is going to be there. That's it right there. You just click on it. You're going to see the affiliate link is going to pop up here, or you just go on the website and you're going to see affiliate. All right, this is affiliate right here. Just go on the website, click on affiliate, signing up for the affiliate program is going to take you less than 2 minutes. That's it. Affiliate. Just click on affiliate. It's as simple as that. And if you're already a trader for Lionheart funding program, just go on your dashboard and you're going to see the tab that says affiliate. Let me see if I have it right here. Let me see if I have it here. So that I can just quickly show you. You can see that's it right there, affiliate portal. If you're already a trader and you have your dashboard, just go click on it, affiliate portal. It's just going to open the affiliate portal for you to easily apply. And the affiliate portal looks something like this. Look at this account. It was just a test account I created yesterday. And just by the time I was creating, someone picked up my link, and you can see I already had purchases that were coming in. You keep 10% of your commission, and even the person you are giving the link will also be able to have 5% deducted from anything the person is buying. That's why this is one of the best attractive affiliate program you'll see in the game. You don't need to have millions to start. Just start by learning how to promote other businesses that are already doing very well. And then from affiliate marketing, you can make a lot of money to do whatsoever you want. You can request. We have a whole separate dashboard for affiliate. A whole separate dashboard strictly for affiliate. You can go there, you can see your metrics, you can request your payout, you can see your graphs, your referral, who is clicking, everything. Is a whole separate dashboard strictly for affiliate. So just click on affiliate, come here, the join button is right there. I can't click on join because I'm already part of it. So but you just click on join if you're not here, you haven't registered yet, and then you just sign in with the same email you use for LFP or any email of your choice if that's your first time, and boom, you're ready to start promoting Lionheart funding program. And as you go up the tier system, you can even start earning 15% commission at a point in time. So guys, this is an opportunity you guys can be able to tap in and be able to earn with Lionheart funding program. There's no way I was going to end this video today without me mentioning this, because a lot of people have asked, and this is an opportunity. You can earn a lot of money by just working with the best platform in the game, Lionheart funding program. So with that, we've come to the end of our session for today. Like I said, within the week, we're going to jump into, we're going to see if we can jump into another call or into another live stream if I have the time. There's no guarantee on that for now. But if I have the time, that's what I'll be planning to do within the week. But so long, so good. I'll still be available on TikTok. I'll still be available on Instagram. I'll still be available on Telegram. Make sure you join my free Telegram community. The link is on the video description. The link is there. Join my free Telegram community because I have a lot of goodies tools that are also going to be dropping in my free Telegram community. Till then, peace.